What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Here we go. I got Chrissy Poo coming out. We're actually gonna go to the upholstery place and see what this is gonna cost to get my new upholstery done on the cushions, which I'll show you a little bit more here. It's right down the road. I never used this gentleman. He's got good reviews, so hopefully it all works out. Then we're gonna go to the boat and do part 2 of the cleaning process. We're gonna go over it, re-clean it with the pressure washer, really pay attention to the nook and crannies, and maybe start the compounding on the non-skid. So lots of fun, but stay tuned, should be good. Let's go. Upholstery MD, right here off Shell Point. Here's some of my seat cushions. I know I didn't get to show you guys that much the other day. Hey, how you doing?
Good. How's it going?
Pretty good. You all right to be on film?
On who?
On film?
Sure, why not?
It's YouTube. It's good for business.
Yeah.
We got about 100,000 followers. What's your name?
Daryl Dixon.
Daryl. How you doing, Daryl?
Good.
Hey, so this is the professional guys that hopefully is going to take care of us and do a good job. He's got great reviews online. So,
Upholstery MD.
Upholstery MD.
Westman Ford.
So here's the boat seats. They're pretty bad. I just want to get them all redone. But I had an idea for design. I wanted to run across it.
Sure.
A lot of little seats here.
How long you been doing upholstery now? I grew up in it with my father. I started in the summers, like at my 8th grade year of school, and it's like sorting material. And then when I graduated from high school, I worked with him full time, and then I started my own business in '89.
Nice.
And I've been self-employed ever since.
We've always driven by here and we're like,
Yeah.
oh, we got to stop in there one day and get some
Yeah.
stuff done.
Right on.
So what I'm thinking, I kind of wanted to do like a look like this. I don't know if you could do it. Can you see? Hang on, let me brighten it. It's got that diamond pattern.
Well, at least it's just a single stitch diamond. Because a lot of people now, what they're doing is they're going to like a double stitch diamond.
Okay.
And that's what's going in all these new boats and stuff like that, the bigger boats. But I don't have a diamond pleat double stitch machine.
Okay.
I've never invested in one because I stay so busy.
Right.
But I mean, the problem with what you got here,
Yeah.
you don't have a whole lot of area
Yeah. So
to
maybe
put diamonds in.
maybe not on like the small seats, but I'm thinking like on like the big bench seat. I don't know.
Yeah. Well, you'd want it all to match.
Yeah.
I mean, that's just, you know. I mean, you can look at this boat here if you want real quick.
Right.
I mean, there's different design, you could break it up. But as far as the diamond goes, I mean, I could do it. It's going to add a lot more money to it. It's just a heck of a lot more stitching.
Right.
But a lot of people are going to it. But I think, and I used to do tons of that stuff up north in cars. I've been in every street rod magazine and all that stuff because I also do street rods.
Right.
I actually
Okay.
got one coming today. But my biggest thing, what's your first name?
Joshua.
And
Chris.
And Chris.
Yes, sir.
Sarah. The biggest thing about that, I tell everybody, like, I'm booked till November.
Okay.
You know, I'm probably second week of November would be as soon as I can get you in. Like, I got 2 full thing.
We are back, guys. So we talked to Upholstery MD. It's probably going to cost about $1,500, and it's going to take a couple months because he's so backed up with work, which I guess ain't a bad thing for him. So we're back at the boat here. Me and Chris brought the pressure washer. Today we're going to be focusing on the smaller things, the nooks and the crannies, and then we're probably going to start the compounding the non-skid. That's going to take a lot of time, and if we could get it started today, it'll be good. So stay tuned. We're going to start her up, and Chris is about to start filming. Look at him over there. Make sure you check out his channel. He'll have some different tips and tricks. As you know, he did this for a living prior to Salty Scales, so he's gonna have some detailed stuff that you can see on his page. Check out his channel. I'll link the link down in the description. Let's go. Chris thought I was joking when I told him I cleaned this baby up. Got this pressure washer. This is about to make quick work of all the little things. driving? You driving? Pretty girl. Here's Daddy's little helpers and Mama. What are y'all girls doing? Ooh, don't do that. No, no. Oh no, don't do that, boo.
Here, Daddy. 1.
Oh no, we're gonna lose her.
No.
Oh no, no! Y'all girls having fun today? Y'all just hanging out with Mama? We's a cleaning. Thank you, Mama, for bringing the stuff. Where's that scraper at, Mama? You see that thing real quick? I want to see what it'll do to this sticker on her. All right, guys. So I got these plastic scrapers off of Amazon, and I'm going to use these to hopefully take off any stickers or decals and things like that. They got some really old stickers on here, as you can see, and these are not supposed to scratch anything.
That's weird.
It's weird? Why?
Because it looks so weird like that.
It looks so weird.
Yeah, you should get it off.
Wow, these are gonna be interesting to get off.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so Josh and me brought out all the chemicals. I already brought some.
Yeah, that's gonna be a lot of fun to get off.
Rust stain remover. This is actually some industrial.
Definitely not gonna be as easy as I thought. That's gonna be tough to get off.
We plan on polishing.
What are you doing, Kid Chalupa? I mean, we've already been cleaning this. I wanted to show you inside the hatches so we can get some befores and after ideas. Pretty rough, not gonna lie. I want to tell you guys, once again, Better Boat Erasers. These things are awesome. Let me show you why. It's blowing out here today, guys. Me and Chris actually took a moment to step away from cleaning. We're on the boat, we're gonna go get some fuel, and then we're probably gonna run over to a spot to try to grab some lunch, even though it's blowing like crazy. But it's a good opportunity to really see what she's got. What do you think?
Excited. Second time ever on this boat. The first time was when Josh test drove it to drive it and asked for my opinion, and we were only on it for less than 10 minutes. So now we're actually get to see what she's got.
And we got good old Brandon up there. He's gonna join us. He's gonna join us for lunch. First, we gotta get some gasoline. So stay tuned.